Welcome back. This video is about data filter. So let's begin. What's data filter? Data filtering is the process of choosing a smaller part of your data set and using that subset for viewing or analyze. Filtering is generally, but not always, temporary. The complete data set is kept, but only part of it is used for the calculation. Filtering may be used to look at the results for a particular period of time, calculate results for particular groups of interest, exclude erroneous or bad observations from an analysis, train and validate statistical models, etc. Filtering requires you to specify a rule or logic to identify the cases you want to include in your analysis. Filtering can also be referred to as subsetting data or a data drill down. Let's move to the Excel sheet to see a live example. Here you can see that this is a data table. So if you want to filter data, so just click on here, then click filter. So it becomes filter. So if we want to know that how many people are from Chapanabhagan, so just click on here, then press select all, then select Chapanabhagan and press OK. So here these four peoples are from Chapanabhagan. Now if you want to know that how many of them are accountants, so just click select and then select accountant, press OK. So these two people are accountant. So if you want to unfilter the data table, so you will have to select this and just click on filter. So it becomes unfiltered. Thanks for watching my video.